Hello friends, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming and it is a linear algebra part 2. In this video we will try to solve some linear equation. So the given linear equation is like this. So it is our one linear equation ax plus b and the solution. Okay, we need to find solution with respect to x. So x is equal to a inverse into b. So one equation is given here. Okay, so the equation is x1 plus 2x2 plus 5 and second one 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 6. So to find algebra we need two matrix. So let's take two matrix as per this equation. We had derived this one, so we need two matrix. So in the first matrix value will be 1, okay, 1 2 3 and 4, and second one the B matrix. In this B matrix the value will be, okay, value will be, this is the B and the value will be 1 and 5 and 6, okay, and it's the real, this real matrix is A. Okay, so we have A and B. So now what we need, okay, so what will be the our final example, how can we write? So for that we need to write, we need to implement this one, x is equal to this one, okay, because this one is our x and this one is A and this one is B. So this one is A, this one is x and B. So for that right click, come into the mathematics, elementary, and not linear algebra, take one inverse function here, inverse matrix of A. After that we need two multiplication function. Now inverse of A into B. Now this value will be the value of x. So the output will be, okay, 4 minus 4 and 4.5. If you will solve, so you will get this output, okay. Other, let's try to find one more function is given here, solve linear equation vi. Solve linear equation vi. Please try to solve that program. Just try to search that. Okay, there is no solve linear equation. I'm not getting that vi, so no problem. Yes, look at here, there is a solve linear equation vi. So you can take this solve linear equation here, place here, and you can directly solve your problem also without, okay, no need to write this big logic. You can directly solve your problem like this. And solution matrix, so solution matrix will be this, okay. So this is a one way. Now the our next problem is LU factorizations. So in the LU factorizations, how can we factorize LU, okay. So let's try to find the LU factorization for the LU factorizations, okay, for this program. Okay, so what is the LU factorization? So how can we find? So this one is our A, so no need to delete A and B. First just only delete the functions A. So let's try to find the LU. So for that, come into the linear algebra, you will get LU here, LU is here, take the LU, place here, connect with the A. So we will find the LU of LU factorization of A and sorry LU factorization for A. So this is L value, it is L value, and this will generate U value. So both are different factorizations. So A, okay, just a second. Okay, LU. So now our target is, example is, okay, try to find the okay singular value decomposition, SVD. Now our target singular value decomposition. So how can we find the singular value decompositions? Okay, singular value decomposition, our next target. So our next target about the singular value decomposition. So for that, come here, mathematics linear. So SV, singular value decomposition. So take this one and connect here. Now you can get the singular value decomposition very easily. Okay, U is the orthogonal matrix. Okay, this S is singular matrix, and V, this V is orthogonal matrix also. So U is the orthogonal matrix, V is orthogonal matrix, and S is orthogonal matrix also for this A value, given A value. Okay, run, so you will get the value same. Okay, so in this way you can design, okay, and you can utilize your knowledge and you can solve the linear equation. Okay, and whenever you want to use this okay, ALU with any other functions for the multiplications and modifications, so you can use. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.